since I was already playing with it, I figured I'd try some other stuff. I needed some red onion chopped. I am meal prepping, y'all. Trying to get some stuff done. This is freaking awesome. This thing is awesome. Like, that's my red pepper. Like, literally awesome. I need some bell pepper, and that's all going in the same dish. So that's red bell pepper. Red bell pepper. Red bell pepper. More red bell pepper. Let's see. Let's do some green. And then I'm going to come back in the next part and I'm going to do a tomato to see if it works. Because I got a tomato I need to do too. So hang on.
We're in like a pack of sardines, we cannot escape, we cannot come out. Mama!
This gadget automatically stirs food in your pan, self-rotates, and has 3 speed options. This utensil rest is perfect for pots and pans, doubles as a steam releaser, and also works on the counter. And this gadget makes shredding meat easy and mess-free.
When you and your husband have different preferences in food, you find the perfect pot.
It's really you, but no one ever discovers. In some ways you're just like all your friends, but on stage you're a star. You get the best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both worlds. Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.